Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our CompTIA SecurityX CAS-005 video series. In this lesson, we're covering Objective 4.3.2, Threat Intelligence Platforms, IOC Sharing, Rule-Based Languages, and Indicators of Attack. Let's break it down step by step in simple language. Part 1, Threat Intelligence Platforms. A threat intelligence platform, often called a TIP, is like a central hub that collects, organizes, and analyzes cyber threat information. Imagine you're a security analyst trying to stay ahead of hackers. Instead of manually checking multiple websites, news sources, and reports, a TIP gathers everything in one place and gives you a clear picture of what's happening. Most TIPs rely on third-party vendors. These vendors provide intelligence feeds that include known bad IP addresses, malicious domains, malware signatures, and hacker tactics. Some examples include Recorded Future, Anomaly, and Threat Connect. So in short, TIPs help organizations save time, reduce guesswork, and make faster security decisions. Part 2, IOC Sharing. Next, let's talk about IOC Sharing. IOC stands for Indicator of Compromise. Think of IOCs as digital fingerprints left behind by attackers, like a suspicious IP address, a phishing website, or a malicious file hash. But here's the challenge. Different organizations need a way to share this threat information in a clear and consistent format. That's where two standards come in: STIX and TAXII. STIX stands for Structured Threat Information Expression. It's basically the language used to describe threat data in a format that computers can read. TAXII stands for Trusted Automated Exchange of Intelligence Information. It's the system that delivers STIX data between organizations. Here's a simple way to remember it. STIX is the format, and TAXII is the transport. For example, if a government agency discovers a ransomware domain, it can use STIX to describe it and TAXII to share it automatically with private companies. Part 3, Rule-Based Languages. Now let's move on to rule-based languages. These are special tools and languages used to write detection rules, so that systems can identify malicious behavior. The most common ones are Sigma. Think of this as a universal detection language. You can write one Sigma rule, and it can be translated into different CM queries. YARA, widely used by malware researchers. YARA rules help identify and classify malware by matching text strings or patterns in files. RITA. This tool focuses on network traffic and helps detect things like command and control communication, beaconing, or other hidden attacker activity. Snort, a very popular open-source intrusion detection and prevention system. It uses rule sets to spot suspicious network traffic in real time. So, these rule-based tools are like recipes. Each one tells the system exactly what suspicious behavior to look for. Part 4, Indicators of Attack. Finally, let's talk about indicators of attack, or IOAs. While IOCs tell us what already happened, IOAs focus on attacker behavior while the attack is in progress. This allows defenders to stop the attack before it causes damage. IOAs are based on TTPs, tactics, techniques, and procedures. Tactic is the attacker's overall goal. For example, stealing sensitive data. Technique is how they plan to do it. For example, sending a phishing email. Procedure is the detailed step. For example, using a fake invoice with malicious Excel file. Here's a practical example. If a process suddenly tries to disable antivirus or encrypt files without permission, that's a strong indicator of attack. Even if the malware itself has never been seen before, the suspicious behavior can still trigger a defense response. Wrap up. So, let's recap today's lesson on 4.3.2. Threat intelligence platforms help collect and analyze threat data from vendors. IOC Sharing uses STIX and TAXII to exchange threat indicators between organizations. Rule-based languages like Sigma, YARA, RITA, and Snort provide rules to detect attacks. Indicators of attack and TTPs focus on attacker behavior to stop threats before they succeed. This knowledge is critical for threat hunting and security operations because it helps you go beyond reacting to incidents and start proactively defending against them. That's it for this session. In our next video, we'll continue exploring threat hunting and intelligence concepts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more CAS-005 content.